Hi everyone, today with me I have an umbrella, but this is the best umbrella I've ever tried. It is literally my Bodyguard. This umbrella has so many different features, and my favorite one of all is its compactness. It is 12.6 inches, making it really easy to just throw it in my car, on my purse, or just take it with me when I'm going out because I never know when it's gonna rain. And this thing expands to 46 inches, giving me a nice wide coverage against the rain, especially where I live, where it can rain from a minute to another. The next thing that I really like is that the inside has this reflective light strip, which allows you to walk, for example, in the dark at night, and cars will be able to see you because of the reflective strip, which I think is super important. Last but not least, it also protects against UV sun rays up to 50 SPF, and it is super easy to open because it is a one button kind of deal. You just press it and you're ready to go, along with the little wrist elastic that you can wear to make sure you don't drop it. You are also going to receive a little bag for it that matches the color of the inside. They have so many different colors. I got the UV beige, but they also have pink and blue and yellow, so many different colors to pick from. But I truly think that everyone needs a little Bodyguard umbrella to keep them nice and dry under the rain. Check it out on Amazon. It is a must-have purchase.